Alright, Kitty. Let's get to work.
Alright, Kitty. Let's get to work.
I'm not walking. I can't move. If it... Oh.
Sweet baby Jesus.
Do you mind if I see?
Why are you such an asshole? Like, I wasn't even stealing from you, you water-faced. Oh, don't make me. Don't make me. Don't make me. Han, just bleep it.
Just
Bleep it.
bleep it
I'm
out.
spewing watermelon pellets at you.
Me too. I'm nutting on you. I mean seeding. Piece of shit.
I'm gonna mess your fat ass up.
Why would you use that so early?
I got a defuse! I got a defuse!
Your turn.
Oh, you did now, did you? Did you now? Did you know?
I see the future.
I have 3 left. I don't even want that item, bro. Oh my god. I don't want that, dude.
Why'd you
I
skip?
have no use for that. I have no
You know
use
what
for
I want though? Items from you.
Attack.
You kidding me?
I
Please,
didn't attack
please
you,
tell
like,
me.
Frank
Tell
did.
me. Tell me. Is there anything good? Please. Please tell me.
I'm literally telling you the truth right now.
I didn't mean to do it.
Tell me.
You can,
I'm being so
you can
dead ass.
trust me.
I will take the
You
rest of the
trust me.
cards you own.
I see the future.
It was an accident, I promise.
Don't do this to me.
I think I am.
Don't do this to me.
Hmm.
Please don't do this to me.
I could spare your life. I have the option to spare your life.
Please.
And I didn't mean to do it towards you. He attacked me and I did that.
Oh, so this is your fault.
He
So this is your fault.
It is your fault. It is your fault.
Spare your life today.
I'm shuffling.
Oh, I love you.
I could have put an attack on you, or I could have shuffled. I choose mercy today.
I love you.
Calm down. Give me something.
Do me a favor.
I hate that back scratch card.
Here. I'm feeling happy today.
Give me what you have.
You can have it. Take it.
I see
Oh
the
my shit.
future.
You see it again.
That is dangerous.
Don't for me right now.
You're safe. You're safe. Do something, I dare you.
Do you mind if I steal?
I love you. I'm coming to your house later.
I see the future.
What do you see?
Oh! I'm just kidding. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I know he's lying.
Including. Look at him. Look at him with a distressed face.
Alright.
Swear to God.
I usually place it in the back. But
That's what
I
she
mean,
said.
There's 2 kittens.
What is this?
Do me a
No!
favor.
Alright.
He loves me, people.
I'm
Can you stop?
shuffling.
Oh, you're so lucky.
He has 2 diffuses.
Is he actually?
It's your turn.
No.
I don't know if I should take the risk. Holy balls.
Did you defuse?
Where'd you put it?
It's your turn.
Where'd you... Don't mess with me. Where'd you put it?
Talk.
No mess with me. Where'd you put it?
In the back.
I hope you know we can't
In the
see
back?
this.
In the back!
Do you mind if I steal?
Take it. Take it.
And that's a
Here.
favor. You don't get to choose.
Mm.
It was in the back? Ooh.
Skip.
You really don't trust me?
No. No, I don't.
Okay.
It's your turn.
I messed up.
I'm succulent.
Why would you do that? Thank you.
Better.
Where is it? I don't have
Do you
anything
mind if I steal?
except my little baby.
Skip. So you took my defuse and you decided to skip when you could have just skipped this entire time? Now go ahead.
He has to do another turn.
Your turn.
I don't know. I don't know where it is.
I
You
do.
shuffled it.
Two tools in the box, 2 kittens in the box. Both of these are kittens no matter what I do.
If you leave, you won't get rewards. Ooh, what the hell is that? Oh, shuffle.
Snap back to reality.
You know, I think I learned my lesson of
Your
stealing
turn.
from Victor.
I haven't.
He stole every single one of my things.
Do you mind if I steal?
Okay.
That was an accident. That was an accident.
Yes. See that number? See that number?
What did you steal from him?
I stole his diffuse.
It's going into your nose right now.
I stole his diffuse.
Take the turn. Take the turn.
I can't wait to edit this. Go.
He looks like a homeless man.
Go. Go. It's your turn. Go. Go. It's your turn.
How does it feel, Victor? How does it feel?
It's your It's your turn. It's your turn. It's
Don't be like
your
this, Victor.
turn. Go. Go. Go.
Your
That's
turn.
hilarious. Oh my god, my throat.
It's your
That's so
turn.
sad.
You should be. Stop. Stop. Cease your actions.
Do me a favor. Do me a favor.
Why are you bullying?
Because this is what he did to me last time. And it was only 2 times. Doesn't mean I'm gonna do it again.
Do me a favor.
Attack.
What? I didn't even press it.
That's how you feel.
It's your turn.
I see the future.
As I was saying,
I see the future.
Hey, you're not gonna believe this?
stop. I already see it. It's too late. Oh baby. Stop. It's okay. I promise.
Doesn't sound promising, but
It's
fine.
okay.
Your turn.
Ooh. Oh my
Do
god.
you mind if I steal?
I do mind. Yeah, you gotta have that. Oh me.
Thanks.
Please not me.
Do you mind if I steal?
Oh, what a coincidence.
Do you mind if I
Coincidence.
steal?
Every time.
Every time. Oh baby.
I'm chuckling.
Noah, look. I think he's happy with this outcome. It's your turn.
Like, what do you have to lose, Victor?
His dignity.
Put it in the bag too.
What do you have to lose, Noah?
I see the future.
Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Oh god. Freaking kid stole my defuse, bro.
Your turn.
Hmm.
Yeah, I'm
Oh.
sorry. I'm sorry, Victor. I'm sorry, Victor.
Hmm.
I'm sorry, Victor.
I am so terribly sorry it has to come to this.
Attack.
The way his head jerked up. Just I had to avoid penalty. Plus, it's not a 100% chance.
Attack.
He just squeezed your nuts. All right, that's 1. 3 more. 3 more. 3 more.
I see the future.
You got to be kidding me, man. Well, I'll show you. Oh!
What was the second one? What was the second one?
Your turn.
What was the second one? What was the second one? Tell me what the second one was.
I don't feel like telling you.
It's your turn.
Gambling. Let's go gambling.
Skip.
Wait, not bad.
Huh?
Yeah.
Do you mind if I steal?
You bastard. You're an actual bastard. Dude, just press the button.
Skip.
Dude, just press the button.
Cool. Yeah, I know.
It's
Press.
your turn.
I texted her. Oh, huh. Oh, yeah. Alright.
Victor, look at me. Look at me in my eyes.
You're
Go
done.
ahead,
Oh,
skip.
skip what?
Huh?
Skip what?
Skip. Reverse
Why,
psychology.
why,
Reverse
why,
psychology.
why, why would I do that?
Reverse psychology. Guess what I have?
I
Skip.
don't know.
Skip.
Oh, really? Really?
Skip.
Do you know? Do you?
I do.
Do you?
Your turn.
Really?
No, I don't.
Really? Really?
You didn't think this through, Victor.
Can I pick it up?
Pick it up quickly. Quickly.
It's not
quickly.
letting me pick it up.
Quickly now.
It's not letting me pick it up.
Sonny, you're going to die. Press Y
It's
on
not
your
letting
left
me
controller.
pick it up.
Y on your left controller. Sit down. You're gonna die. You're dead. You're dead.
Again.
Oh, I can freely move around between turns.
It's your turn.
Yeah.
You know that.
Stop letting me.
Do you mind if I steal?
Bollocks. You laughing?
Kill him.
Attack.
Okay. I'm gonna calm down. I'm gonna calm down.
I see the future.
No, I'm not gonna do that.
I'm struggling.
Alright, well, it was planned to destroy him, but okay. Stop.
Wait, I forgot. Hey,
Attack.
give it up. Right now.
Give up what, idiot?
3 turns! He takes 3 turns!
Why?
Do me a favor.
Please.
Take this, I don't need it.
Spare change. Spare change, ma'am. Why do I have 3 turns? Oh, thank you.
You got attacked.
Jesus
Do you mind
Christ.
if I steal?
Alright, that's not that bad.
Do
God.
you mind if I steal?
Take it.
Do you mind if I steal?
I do mind.
Take it.
No, every time! Every time he takes my defuse.
Do me a
He
favor.
took everything you want.
I have no cards. I have no cards.
I'm amazing.
You didn't do any on Aiden?
No. You're mean to me.
There's no way. Not a single one went to him.
It's your turn.
Oh my. Alright.
I got the most amazing
I
cards.
see the future.
I could have noped you, but I didn't. Cause I'm nice.
Rather you not have done that. It's fate. It just has to be fate. It just has to be fate.
I stole everything from
No, dude, I'm not talking about you. Just has to be fate.
In VR.
It's your turn.
What the?
Do me a favor.
Give it to him like a good boy. Good boy.
What are the chances?
Oh,
Do you mind if I steal?
Like, give me something of importance.
oh. Swear to God.
Aiden, do you have nipples?
I might.
He does have nipples and he has a belly button.
Ah. I have nothing. Stop.
Aiden, look behind you.
Stop. Stop.
Your turn.
It's right there. It's right there. Embrace. Embrace. Embrace.
Yo, I forgot he took my skip,
It's your
bro.
turn.
Attack.
Embrace. Embrace it. Embrace. Embrace it.
Hey, Peter.
Embrace.
Your turn.
This puts me in a situation. Embrace. Embrace it, please. No.
Your turn.
Embrace it, Aiden.
Damn it.
Yo, the cat has balls.
Boom.
Oh no.
Balls.